We've been developing this project for 7 years now, and it's really been this collaborative project with Siemens and their support, coming out here, working with us, trying to get those accuracies that we need for this really complex printing process. They provide everything for the system, whether it be the motors, the controller, the software which runs it. It is all controlled by Siemens. So this current head is the 5th generation end effector. This head is a combination of the AFP in situ consolidated thermoplastic tape. That's our continuous fiber material. And then on either side of the head, we have an FFF module. So one of those FFF modules is a chopped fiber. So it's the same resin and same fiber as the continuous fiber, but that chopped fiber allows you to do much more complex parts that you couldn't do with a continuous fiber. And then on the other side, we have a water-soluble support material. So that's really great for doing kind of in situ tooling. So you can print a laminate, then do tooling and support material off of that, and then do another laminate on top of that. So it's really just this integration allowing you to do these more complex parts that you can't do with traditional manufacturing.